Another unusual story tonight. Cortnee Brantley is a free woman this evening despite a jury finding her guilty this afternoon of concealing information from police. Tonight, our Chris Trankman joins us live from the federal courthouse to explain how this all started and where it now goes from here. Chris?
Well, Jamison, the judge has two options in this case. He can agree with the jury and send Brantley to prison, or he can let her walk. Cortnee Brantley walked out of the federal courthouse guilty as charged, according to the jury. But the judge has left the door open that she could still be acquitted.
Legally, y'all have to figure that out.
Brantley's attorney had no answer what Judge James Moody was thinking. But after the verdict, the judge asked jurors to go back and explain how they reached their decision. The jury failed to elaborate.
Well, it's clear that the judge is still troubled by this case.
Former U.S. Attorney John Fitzgibbon says the judge may not be convinced that there was enough evidence to prove Brantley concealed from police the fact that her boyfriend, Dante Morris, was an armed felon.
The statute, misprision of a felony, is an ancient, almost bizarre statute. And in this tragic case, wanted to do anything that they could to prosecute Ms. Brantley for her despicable acts here.
Family members of officers Jeffrey Kokab and David Curtis left the courthouse pleased with the verdict. And Tampa's police chief says Brantley deserves to be punished for not telling police where her boyfriend was hiding.
Dante Morris killed 5 individuals in our community, and by the grace of God, he didn't kill anybody else during those 4 days. And she did nothing to assist us in taking him into custody.
No matter what the judge decides, it's likely this case is far from over, as the losing side will likely appeal the ruling to a higher court. We're live in downtown Tampa. Chris Trankman, ABC Action News.